Turn the projector on, then wait for the image to display. You may need to adjust the projector's focus so that you can read on-screen instructions during setup. To adjust the focus, open the front cover, then slide the focus lever. When you're done, close the cover. Next, adjust the roll, pitch, and yaw as needed to get the image squared. See the projector's on-screen help for further assistance. The adjustment dial, labeled 1, controls the horizontal roll of the projector. Before adjusting dial 2, loosen this screw. Tighten it when you're done. Dial 2 adjusts the yaw or horizontal keystone, and dial 3 adjusts the pitch or vertical keystone. If you need to move the image left or right, loosen this screw and slide the projector. Tighten the screw when you're done. On the mount arm, there are markings you can use to set the length of the arm to achieve the desired image size. Loosen these screws and extend the mount arm for a larger image, or shorten it to reduce the image size. You can also use the long adjustment screw on the wall plate to raise or lower the projector arm as needed. Before turning the adjustment screw, loosen the 4 screws along the side of the wall plate. When you're done, retighten the screws. Attach the wall plate covers. If you need to further improve the image alignment, you can use the automatic screen adjustment feature. Press Menu, select Installation, then select Auto Screen Adjustment. 4 yellow boxes appear in the corners of the projected image. Place the 4 included auto image adjustment markers within the yellow boxes. The markers should form a level rectangle. When the markers are in place, press Enter to finish the process. After a few seconds, the image will automatically adjust to fit your screen, and you can remove the markers.